Just if I hear that hit myself. See, actually, even looking at the phone before looking down, it disappears because I'm getting blinded by the fucking screen. It's too bright, regardless of what you do. It's an interesting challenge, part of the dream. Can't see the thing I'm trying to show because it knows too, but it could be confronting for you. I mean, for me, I'm sitting on the floor and not. Still managed to walk around somehow, and do more even than one with that you could do with half a skinny right leg and it's look, I haven't got the frames or the words to necessarily describe many things. Actually, you've seen the game. It looks like on my left. Parts of me is transparent. It would appear, well, or not appear, depending on where you are. And I'm saying, fuck, hurry up. We're obviously only half here. I'm trying to get the other half of me out, and any that may be left here. Also part of me, but maybe less clear in a way, or maybe completely clear, transparent. I won't be able to see them anyway. That's kind of how it is. But if somehow this message, I'll get this message out, you get this. I don't look. I'll be surprised if I hear this back. I won't get it. Probably I'll be like, what the fuck is it? Another one like heaps. I'd look. Many of those. Many of them haven't been stopped, other than. Well, they get stopped somewhere. They don't get far from here. But I'll put them online. All in a fucking line of. Yeah, I'm trying to think of sort of a line. I mean, they're not dancing. It's not square dancing. It's just I don't know. They're waiting, and that's fine. That's all right. It's all happening now. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, and even this time of the day, which is late today. Not that late, but it's like I thought it would be later. Apparently, it's like 10:30 or something. In the time scale of the day scale we've been given. I'm not nothing against clocks. I think they're great. Just saying, it's relative. If you're related or not to it, and I'm saying, well, actually, we're all fucking related, but let's not overly simplify or exemplify it. Don't dwell on it. But don't obfuscate it. I don't think you should be. Look, I'm against incest. I don't think it's a good idea. I'd suggest. But look, perhaps that's what began the whole fucking thing, and that's why we're in this mess. Oh, that's going to sound like, and I'm not even talking about Star Wars or the hero's journey. I mean, that's part of it, maybe, part of it. Yeah. Cyrus set. Who knows? A lot of funny stories have passed through more eons than one could suppose or propose. Manifest modes to like cheer you up. Eons cheers me up heaps. How it goes. But look, maybe just me, or maybe mostly. Maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, I can't see my shadow. That's what I was going to show. I mean, I can see it here. Most of it, I can see it. The shadow. Parts of it's real, as in seems to be three-dimensional. Parts of it looks like just half of it was sent of all. Like on the right side, my right leg just looks like a tire. I've got a skinny, real fucking a leg there? What the hell? That's like a table leg too. The left side looks like it's more reflective of the leg I've come to know I'm standing on and with, that I am. It's part of me, it's true. Yeah, there's gaps in, like, I don't know how that happens. There's gaps all, and there's like, you can't see it. So, it's alright, it's going. It's like the power of Zoom. I remember it seems to. Right, okay, that's an elbow arm. It's kind of an elbow arm. That's it's hard. Come down to the legs. That's the left. Going across to the right. Ignore that middle. It might be what it seems, but it's a bit slight. That's it. I mean, yeah, I wouldn't think it's transparent. Right, keep going to the right one. There. Right. Well, it doesn't become the same here. Yeah, it looks, from looking on the phone, it doesn't look much of a disparity. From here, when I'm not looking at the phone, it's funny because looking at the phone and looking at that, I'm seeing the same thing. Alright, hide the phone light. Oh, that's going to be scary. I don't want to give you a fright. You can even see or sight such things, scary or otherwise, at this time from too long looking at a fucking phone. This is fucking me up. I'm sure of it. I'm just going with that's helping too. It is. So yeah, I can see now. It's like it's like half, not even half the size. The right leg coming out there as far as the shadow. Now I'll try and no, I can't. But yeah, look. It'd be strange thing to make up. I don't know what the benefit is. I don't know what the, you know what I mean? Like just, yeah, that's interesting. Well, see you look at that. There's blood back to like pretty much well, sort of normal. Yeah, it's really fucking. I know that's true. The more learn about, certainly light and all is light, the more you learn, there's a lot more learning still to do. That's good. You want to try to describe any of that stuff? You do have a sense of humour. It's fucking true. Too. Talking to you, you think is you think you could possibly, I mean, you might, and you will, but don't expect to cause a bunch of bullshit or what it sounds like that. People, because we're pretty low on the learned stage at this stage of the game, of the day, the year, whatever the hell you want, whatever the heck you want to. I just edited that in this silly way. It's fucking hell all day, every day. If we make it, some days, yeah, fucking oath. As well, it's 7. I can be a control freak and control it all for it's. Well, that's not really. It sounds like it sounds like hell to me. Someone controlling my mind, I'm controlling theirs. It doesn't really seem to work. I'd suggest we need to alter the view. Maybe that's what we've done or we do. Many alters makes a wonderful alteration to the world simulation. And then part of the thrill is how the fuck how do you possibly then, how do you get out of that? How do you wake up out of that? If you've split ourselves into many views, wonderful, encapsulating that, putting together a beautiful world situation. We've done well. Look, we've done well. I'm not saying otherwise. I'm just saying, fuck. I don't know how you get out of that. You might be like, well, what do you want to get out of that for? Well, I might be like that, that's what I'm saying, that's my point. We might be like, well, why do you want to get out? Well, that's a good point. Perhaps it's just a matter of getting the rest of the alters on board to remember that we are the one, or less than the many that we appear to be, somewhat, seemingly, but maybe. I mean, we everyone kind of, at this stage, there is a sold to us majority, which frankly, it's a bit, I don't want to I keep saying sorry for it. It's like, well, part of the game, they're not part of the same, they're not God like you are and like I am and like the plants are, the trees, yes, the birds, the bees, they're the bigger freaking gods than you and me. Don't, yeah, if you want to hierarchy it. Oh, it's Japanese. I think it's Japanese. Shit. I mean, look, nothing wrong with that. Just saying, I think maybe insane. No, I was actually saying sane, but I've heard myself speak back. It's difficult from hearing it. Fortunately, because we are the inclusion, the illusion of separation. I don't need to finish the situation. Maybe like the sentence summation will stand. The lisp has come back on demand more when I've been the man that noticed it. When I focus on it a little bit, it became real. I agreed. Yeah, try not agreeing. Unfortunately, you put more energy into not agreeing. Sometimes it makes it even realer. It's a tricky situation. For real, huh? Or not? It can be Israel or fucking not. Well, I think I'm leaning towards not more than anything else. No, I am. In fact, I'll put my hand up again. It's not real. It's not real. Which means that it's limitless. Just take the limit off. Remove the handbrake. Yeah, handy to have a handbrake, but you don't want to have the handbrake on all the time. It sucks. You don't get anywhere. You do. You forget that it's on. It just makes a shitty noise. This bad smell, and you forget what wheels. You forget what rolling is like. You don't, because you're still rolling, or you think you do, or you might, but you don't because the fucking handbrake's been on the whole time. All I'm saying is, it'll happen collectively. It's already happened. Just take the handbrake off. Oh, smooth, mate. Limitless, frictionless. Dare I say? Oh, you need some friction. I get it. I've said the same. Trees, yeah, need that. We're trees in a way, for sure. So some friction, yeah, we've had that. We can have a little bit. We can have less than we got now, and have more of everything over less. Oh, too many contradictions, you're going to confuse the stressed. Well, I'll go stress it again. Because that is the lesson that we keep being given repeatedly. I do, and I'm saying we, including my alters out there, that, you know, the other eyes, yeah, so am I. Captain, that's alright. That's an old pirate joke, I think. No, I'm told. I can't quite recall. I think of mation, I don't even know why. Something to do with table tennis, either way. No, it was 10-4. I actually invented that in my mind, and at the time, it stuck. Anyhow, I captained you. You get the 10-4, you fucking captained, alright? Just leave it at that. Captain. It was from my eyes, as in, like, you know, the head ones I was seeing either quite. Yeah, I mean, things don't need to be replicated via the fucking digital radiation device in my hand. I mean, but you'd be amazed for thinking otherwise by, you know, the amount I seem to try. That's another road metaphor, just going to say it, because it is. We're gathering our I collectively. It's happening. Objectively, yes. Incrementally, of course. Well, it's only like just three steps, is it? I don't know. It's just one eye. Well, I'm saying no. No, that's confusing. There's more than one of us. But combined, we are one. It's true. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. You won't be taken seriously. I don't necessarily want to be taken seriously. I think I'm serious. I'm serious too. Which one? Well, it's just one serious. No, I think isn't there like a? Well, there's serious B. What's our creator? That's freaking one of the other seriouses. Anyhow, alright. Fading out, thirsty. Oh fuck! Out of my wrist. That crack come out, but fucking ow. Anyhow, I shook it. Stop blaming. It's my hand. My wrist. I wasn't blaming the wrist. But yeah, but it didn't persist. It was quick, and it's still there, which is wonderful. I mean, it could have hurt, and then I could then pretend it didn't exist, and then I didn't even have the wrist. It was like, fuck. I'm just trying to remind us all and remember that many eyes in this bliss. I think the list took over then. I couldn't really hear anything else, except for the cars out there, which I just seem to hear from a long way away. That's me. Yes, well, all the way. Before and after today. I'll see you soon. Much love to all of us, we and you, the sun and the moon. Okay, bye. Thank you.